Hey, all you cool cats and kittens! John Oliver here, your friendly neighborhood explainer of things that make your head spin. Today we're diving into the wild world of cryptocurrency. Don't worry, I've got my floaties on, and I'm here to guide you through the choppy waters. Now, you might be thinking, cryptocurrency? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. It's a digital form of money, but instead of being printed by governments, it exists solely online. Think of it like the internet's version of cash. But unlike your hard-earned dollars, cryptocurrency is decentralized. That means no single entity, like a bank or government, controls it. It's like the Wild West of finance, but with fewer tumbleweeds and more lines of code. So, why should you care? Well, crypto is changing the way we think about money, and it has the potential to revolutionize how we do business. Plus, it's pretty darn interesting, even if you never buy a single Bitcoin. Ready to decode the digital money craze? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency, you ask? In a nutshell, it's digital money that uses cryptography for security. Cryptography is just a fancy way of saying secret code that makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Think of it like this. Imagine if you could send gold bars over the internet, but instead of heavy metal you're sending lines of code. That's kind of what cryptocurrency is like. It's digital gold, but instead of storing it in a vault, you keep it in a digital wallet. Now, some people think cryptocurrency is the future of money, while others think it's just a fad like Beanie Babies or Pogs. Remember those? Yeah, me too. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. But one thing's for certain, cryptocurrency is volatile. Its value can go up and down like a roller coaster on a sugar rush. So, if you're thinking of investing, be prepared for a wild ride. Still intrigued? Let's journey back in time to the birth of this digital phenomenon. Our story begins in the depths of the internet, back in 2008. The global financial system was melting down, and trust in traditional institutions was at an all-time low. Enter a mysterious figure, known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who Satoshi really is. Some say it's a single genius coder, while others believe it's a group of brilliant minds working in secret. It's like the Da Vinci Code of the digital world. Anyway, Satoshi unleashed Bitcoin upon the world, the first and most famous cryptocurrency. It was a revolutionary idea, a decentralized digital currency, free from government control and the whims of Wall Street. Bitcoin was like a digital gold rush, attracting tech enthusiasts, libertarians, and anyone looking for an alternative to the traditional financial system. And just like the California gold rush, it had its share of boom and bust cycles. But how does this whole cryptocurrency thing actually work? Let's unravel the mystery of the blockchain. Now, the technology behind cryptocurrency can seem pretty intimidating, like trying to understand the inner workings of a spaceship. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. Imagine a giant public ledger that keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction ever made. That's the blockchain in a nutshell. It's like a digital record book that's spread across thousands of computers around the world. Every time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction is added to this ledger, and because the blockchain is decentralized, it's incredibly secure. It's like trying to rob Fort Knox, but instead of guards and walls, you've got complex cryptography and a distributed network. This decentralized nature is what makes cryptocurrency so appealing to many. It's like having a financial system that's run by the people, for the people. No more shady banks or greedy Wall Street types calling the shots. But Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole universe of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own quirks and features. Section 5. A whole zoo of cryptos. Once Bitcoin paved the way, it was like someone opened the digital floodgates. The world of finance was never the same again. Thousands of other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins have popped up since then, each one trying to carve out its own niche in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. It's like the Wild West of finance out there, folks. A chaotic yet thrilling frontier where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. You've got Ethereum, the brainy cousin of Bitcoin, which allows for smart contracts and decentralized applications. It's not just a currency, but a whole ecosystem for developers. It's like a programmable platform for the Internet of Things. Imagine a world where devices can interact and transact autonomously. Then there's Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, which boasts faster transaction speeds. It's designed to be the lightweight, speedy alternative to Bitcoin. And let's not forget about Dogecoin, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency that started as a joke but quickly gained a cult following. Its community is one of the most enthusiastic and supportive in the crypto world. It's like the court jester of the crypto world, but don't let its playful nature fool you. It's still a force to be reckoned with. Many have made significant gains by investing in Dogecoin. With so many different cryptocurrencies to choose from, it's like walking into a candy store for tech-savvy investors. Each coin offers something unique, catering to different needs and interests. But remember, just because something is shiny and new doesn't mean it's a good investment. Always do your research and understand the risks involved. So, you're ready to dip your toes into the crypto pool? It's an exciting journey, but one that requires caution and knowledge. Let's talk about how to buy and store your digital loot. From choosing the right exchange to securing your assets in a digital wallet, we'll cover the essentials to get you started. Section 6. Want to dive in? Buying and storing your digital loot. Okay, so you're convinced that cryptocurrency is more than just a fad, and you're ready to get in on the action. The world of digital currencies is vast and exciting, and you're about to become a part of it. But how do you actually buy this digital gold? The process might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Well, it's easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to owning your very own cryptocurrency. First things first, you'll need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. This is your gateway to the world of digital currencies. Think of it like a stock brokerage, but for digital currencies. It's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are tons of exchanges out there like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, each with its own fees and features. Do a bit of research to find the one that suits your needs best. Once you've got an account set up and your identity verified, you can start buying cryptocurrency with your hard-earned cash. Verification is crucial for security and compliance. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons, just like ordering takeout online. The user-friendly interfaces make the process smooth and straightforward, but instead of pizza, you're getting digital assets. These assets can appreciate in value, making them a potentially lucrative investment. Now, once you've got your crypto, you need a safe place to store it. Security is paramount in the world of digital currencies. This is where digital wallets come in. They act as secure storage for your digital assets, protecting them from potential threats. These are like virtual vaults that keep your digital assets secure. They come with various security features to ensure your investments are safe. You can choose from hardware wallets, software wallets, or even paper wallets. Each type has its own advantages and levels of security. But hold your horses, partner. Before diving in, make sure you understand the risks and do your homework. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's essential to be informed and cautious. Section 7. Hold on, partner. Crypto risks and how to dodge them. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't warn you about the potential downsides of cryptocurrency. Like a bucking bronco, it can be a wild ride, and there are risks involved. First off, cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Its value can fluctuate wildly like a hummingbird on a caffeine bender. One minute you could be sitting on a gold mine, the next you could be staring at a digital dumpster fire. Then there's the security risk. While blockchain technology is incredibly secure, your digital wallet is only as safe as the password you use. So, choose a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and store your recovery phrase offline. And don't forget about the regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrency, and new laws and regulations could impact its value. It's like the Wild West out there, folks, and the sheriff is still trying to establish law and order. But despite these risks, the future of cryptocurrency is full of possibilities. Section 8. Gazing into the crypto crystal ball. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? It's a question that has everyone from tech enthusiasts to financial experts buzzing with excitement and curiosity. Well, if I had a crystal ball, I'd be sipping margaritas on a private island instead of explaining this stuff to you. But let's dive into some educated guesses and informed predictions about where this digital revolution might be headed. But hey, a guy can dream, right? The reality is, the future of cryptocurrency is as thrilling as it is unpredictable. One thing's for sure, cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's not just a passing fad, it's a transformative force that's reshaping the financial landscape. It's already disrupting traditional finance, and its influence is only going to grow in the coming years. Banks and financial institutions are being forced to adapt or risk becoming obsolete. We're talking about faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions, which could revolutionize the way we handle money on a global scale, as well as greater financial inclusion for the unbanked. Imagine a world where everyone has access to financial services, regardless of their location or economic status. Emerging trends like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with cryptocurrency. These innovations are opening up new avenues for investment, ownership, and financial independence. It's like the Wild West of innovation out there, with new projects and ideas popping up every day. The landscape is constantly evolving, and those who can navigate it successfully stand to gain immensely. With pioneers and visionaries building the future of finance, these trailblazers are not just dreaming about the future, they're actively creating it. Now, I'm not saying you should invest your life savings in cryptocurrency. It's a volatile market, and caution is always advised. But it's definitely worth learning about and understanding its potential impact on the world. Knowledge is power, and being informed can help you make better financial decisions. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the future of cryptocurrency. A crash course in cryptocurrency. We've covered the basics, the potential, and the exciting innovations on the horizon. You're now equipped to navigate the exciting and sometimes confusing world of digital money. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Just remember, invest responsibly, stay informed, and always be wary of anyone promising you the moon. The future of finance is bright, but it's essential to tread carefully and make informed choices.